Adding a pop-up to your Shopify store can be an effective way to engage with customers, promote products, and increase sales. To get started, you will need to access your Shopify admin panel and navigate to the online store section. From there, click on the Actions drop-down menu and select Edit Code. In the code editor, you will need to create a new snippet for your pop-up. To do this, click on the Add a New Snippet button and name it Popup. In this file, you will add the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code for your pop-up. You can use a third-party app to generate the code for your pop-up, or you can create it from scratch. If you choose to create it from scratch, you will need to have a basic understanding of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Once you have created your pop-up snippet, you will need to add it to your Shopify theme. To do this, navigate to the Layout section of your theme and click on the Layout Liquid file. In this file, you will add a line of code that includes your pop-up snippet. After you have added the pop-up snippet to your theme, you will need to configure the settings for your pop-up. This can include setting the trigger event, such as when a customer lands on a page or when they are about to leave your site. You can also set the frequency of the pop-up, such as how often it appears to customers. Best practices for adding a pop-up to your Shopify store include making sure it is mobile-friendly, setting a clear and concise message, and testing it to make sure it is working correctly. You should also consider the user experience and make sure the pop-up is not annoying or intrusive. By following these steps and best practices, you can create an effective pop-up for your Shopify store that engages with customers and increases sales. It is also important to monitor the performance of your pop-up and make adjustments as needed to optimize its effectiveness.